Hello, my name is Chris Robertson. I'm the director of Salus North America. And in this video, we are going to show you how to pair a Salus TRV actuator head with a Salus AWRT wireless thermostat. So the first thing we need to do is get the TRV ready for pairing. So we have to install the batteries into the TRV. And then the TRV will go through a set of LED lights indicating a bunch of information on the software version. And then it will also then automatically go into pairing mode. On the TRV, we're going to want to pull out the battery tab, and then the system will automatically boot up, showing you the firmware version. And then it will come to a selection mode to ask you what kind of device do you want to pair the thermostat with. And in this case, we're going to page up to a TRV valve, hit select, and now from the application, I can start scanning for new devices. And what will happen is the two devices will be recognized by the gateway and then added into the application. Now that your devices are paired, you can complete your installation by mounting the thermostat wall plate onto the wall and mounting your thermostat onto the base plate. And then you can also attach the TRV. Once it's been paired, you can take the batteries out, put it in a box, take it out to the job site, and attach it onto the correct radiator valve. To do that, you would insert the batteries back into the device. The device will open up, and then you can select the type, the type of valve that you want. You can either have a valve with a 30mm connection that you would just screw the valve onto, and you just hand tighten this to make sure it's on securely. Or some radiator valves, like a Danfoss valve, has a ring adapter that you would put the ring adapter on, and you want to make sure that it locks into the channels, screwed down tight, and then you have the 30mm connection that you could attach to. So depending on the type of job site you have, either type of valves can be used with the actuator head. And that should get you going. If you have any questions, please contact Salus North America if you have questions. Thank you.